and while we have our paint out, what we're going to do next, we're going to paint on the rock. Now, this is a rock that I made myself. I learned online how to buy the right supplies. And if you want to know more about this, comment down below, rock, and then I'll know what information to send you. But basically, I learned how to make this rock and let it dry, and then now we're going to try blooming on it. So here comes our paint. And I've got this extra alabaster paint, which is so thick anyway, so why not, right? Ooh. All right, so far, cool. All right, so why not try it, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna start with some of our indigo. See if we can kind of, I don't know if I can get a little circle going there or not. Okay, that's the blue indigo. And then let's put a little bit of ballet slipper on. All right, a little Persephone. I think I might leave off, I haven't decided, but I think I'm gonna leave off the pink right now. Put a little more of this over the top of the indigo. I don't know, I've never poured on a rock before like this, so who knows how this is gonna go. Okay, here we go. You guys, can we do a rock? I don't know. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Whoa. So far, yeah. Now all the cells are over on this side, so I think I could either maybe just tip my rock up. Let's see if I can move it that way. Get some of it moving that way. Yeah, it's not moving very much, but hey. All right. Oh my gosh, it's pretty so far. This looks better than anything else I did today. All right, let's just spin it a little bit and see what happens. Move it over. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's really pretty so far. Just spin it, see. Ooh. Look at that, you guys. Wow, I hope my camera's getting this so you can see it well. Spin a little more. Spin some of the paint off it. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I'm getting cells. It's beautiful. Oh man, I can see this. Number one, could I sell this at a craft show? Depending on how it comes out, yeah, I think so. People buy a lot of rocks around here. We're Michigan. But can I see it as a gift? Oh yeah. I mean, I can see my grandkids fighting over these. Wow. See, come on. Okay. I'm just going to set it right here on there. And hey, I want to thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.